Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the TV ready. Make sure the system update is applied and the set is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Once done, open Settings and enable unknown sources so you can install apps outside the store. Make sure a USB drive or your phone with the APK files is available. You will transfer files next. This avoids interruptions and lets you install Google components smoothly without stopping to troubleshoot network or permission problems mid-process. You now transfer and install the Google pieces in the correct sequence. Copy the APKs to the TV using USB or a local file share app, then open your file manager and install Google Services Framework first, Google Play Services next, and finally the Play Store. Once each installer finishes, wait for any background updates to complete. Make sure to accept permissions when prompted. Otherwise, the Play Store won't work. Reboot the TV once all installs finish so services register, and start cleanly. You finish by opening the Play Store and signing into your Google account. Then update Play Services and any installed apps to the latest versions. If the Play Store or login fails, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, clear cache and data for Google Play Services and the Play Store, then reboot and try again. If issues persist, reinstall the APKs using USB OTG or ADB sideload. This often fixes permission mismatches or incomplete installs. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.